Flax seeds are high in fiber, which helps to fill you up, keep you full longer, and aids in digestion and heart health, says Fresh Time Market's health and lifestyle expert, Megan Sedevi, Road, Lane. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to several health benefits that include brain health and heart health, that may help reduce blood pressure levels and inflammation, and that help increase good cholesterol levels. Here are 5 beneficial reasons to add flax seeds to your grocery list. They're fantastic for digestion. For those who suffer from irregularity, these tiny gems may be a key to relieving constipation. Flax seeds contain high amounts of fiber, which may help improve digestive health, Sedevi further explains. Flax seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber promotes the movement of material through your digestive system and increases stool bulk. Eating a diet rich in fiber helps to increase the size and weight of stool and soften it to help promote and maintain regularity and prevent constipation. They're a good source of protein. According to Piedmont Healthcare, protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. In fact, did you know that your hair and nails are mostly protein? Flax seeds are a great source of high-quality, plant-based protein. 1 teaspoon of flax seeds contains nearly 2 grams of protein, so flax seeds are a viable protein-packed option for those in search of alternatives to animal protein sources. Adding flaxseed to a salad or smoothie can help boost your protein intake. They contain heart-healthy, polyunsaturated fats. Studies suggest that the good-for-you fats found in flaxseed, aka the almighty omega-3s, may benefit those with heart disease. Flax seeds have been associated with several heart health benefits, potentially reducing blood pressure levels, triglyceride levels, bad cholesterol levels, and inflammation in the body, while helping to increase good cholesterol levels. They may help lower cancer risk. In addition to the important omega-3 fatty acids, flaxseed has been shown to prevent the development of cancerous tumors. This could be because flax is rich in lignans, a group of bioactive compounds that are chock full of antioxidant properties that may protect the body from cancer by slowing the growth of existing tumors. One human clinical study showed that eating a muffin containing 25 grams of flaxseed for 40 days demonstrated the potential to reduce tumor growth in postmenopausal women who were newly diagnosed with breast cancer. They can help reduce skin inflammation. Not only is the flaxseed packed with internal nutritional benefits when eaten regularly, but it also contains massive beauty benefits when applied directly to the skin. Because flax seeds are high in anti-inflammatory omega-3s, they can help curb inflammation in the skin. Flax fiber has also been shown to promote a healing effect on the skin. One small study found that women who used flaxseed oil daily led to improved skin elasticity, increased hydration, and a brighter complexion.